society as well as the nation. So once again I wish you all happy Teachers Day. Now the felicitation program by our honorable management members of Sri Dattagiri Maharaj Education Society with a token of love and respect. First of all, I will call to the dais Administrator Sri Nagsetti Biradar sir and Principal of SDM B.Ed College Sri Dr. Ramodani sir and the Principal of SDM PU College and Public School English Medium Srimati Rupa Joshi Madam and the Principal of SDM School Kannada Medium Basavanagar Srimati Jaydevi Adlapure Madam and next Principal